Hey, welcome back. Today we talk about kitchen cleaning tips you need to follow before Ramadan. Cleaning the kitchen floor and counters. Number 2, oven cleaning tricks. If you can't wait to bake all those delicious Ramadan foods, recipes you've been preserving for a while.
But how to clean stainless steel appliances.
Have the best solution for you to clean your stainless steel appliances properly effortlessly. Book our professional cleaning maid services by IPS and you will see the difference yourself. So next, microwave cleaning tricks. To completely clean your microwave oven, take a cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or vinegar to it. Put them in the microwave for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it rest for a few minutes. After that, remove the bowl and wipe the inside of the microwave with a damp cloth.